I learned how to use social media properly because I'm really bad at it.
I wouldn't say you're that bad at it.
Whatever. But I just don't know how to post anything.
Did you get yourself some content today?
Yes, I did. Got to work with lovely people, took some great photos.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All by
How's your experience today? Amazing. What did you learn today?
honestly, I have a whole
List.
list.
Yeah.
What did I not learn is the question.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yes. So you're writing it down.
Writing it down.
Making use of the time.
Someone's a good student.
Thank you. I was actually first, like at the front of the
Yes.
class, you know?
Yes. I love that. Amazing.
Thank you.
Yes. All right, everyone. We got about 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
It's gonna take me that long to pack my stuff up.
No pressure. No pressure.